create function whether climbing cat or not. This function is also 3 function we created in custom character movement component. Can start climbing function. This function is check whether can or not climbing. Second function is eye height trace. This function is check is there wall of climbing in front. And third function is facing surface. This function is check steps of climbing wall. In this video, we need to mathematical knowledge. This is dot product. Vector is having magnitude and direction. Yeah, so vector is multiply magnitude and direction. So you can see this A vector is A magnitude and A direction multiply, and B vector is B magnitude multiplied by B direction. So A vector dot product B vector is A magnitude multiply B magnitude multiply cosine theta. This theta is angle is A vector between B vector. This dot product return value is scalar parameter. This second image is this image you can see is U vector and V vector. The product result value is positive. V vector direct and U vector direct same. U vector dot product V vector. This dot product result value is 0. This two vector direction is perpendicular. And then U vector dot product result is negative. V vector U vector direction is different. This direction is opposite. Right picture, you can see this right picture. We using arc cosine, we got it theta. Two vector between angle. Okay, this done. This mathematical knowledge time is done, and go to the code. And then this we don't forget this mathematical. So this picture I will pop up. Just go to code script. Code script. Okay, first go to header file and we use variable declare. We new variable declare. You format category and edit anywhere, and then meta clamp meaning 1.0 and clamp max. Clamp max is 75.0. Yes, this variable is minimum 1, maximum is 17.5. 17.5. Okay, this value is float. Minimum for 1000 degree to start climbing. Its initial lines value is 25. Okay, and then new function. Bull return function. And start climbing. And start climbing. Can start climbing. Okay. And then we go to CPP. We implement can start climbing. Oh yes. This paste copy and then yes. Okay. For look. And hit result. Hit result is heat is current. Current will heat. Heat. And then const wave vector. Vector vector right wave vector horizon normal. This horizon normal is heat normal. Heat normal get saved normal 2D. This function, this code is normal vector. Normal vector is x. Normal vector have x, y, z. But this normal vector is trans normal 2D vector. So that is 0, x's value is 0. I will pop up new picture. Yeah, this picture, you can see this before. This picture, you can see this is a yellow line. Yellow line is a heat normal. This point, the yellow point is direction, heat normal direction. And then this heat normal is traced to the z axis 0. Yeah. Z axis 0. Okay. And then with this z arrow, this 2D vector is horizon normal vector. And then const plot horizon dot. This vector is dot product. Dot product. Dot product. Yes, dot product. Dot product update. Update our custom character movement component get work. Get word. Get word. Wait. Yes. Get word. No, get word. Get forward. Get forward the fact. Yes. Update forward vector and negative horizon normal vector. This vector is there. Minus heat normal to the vector is in green color vector, and blue color vector is forward vector. This vector, these two vector dot product, we got it once in vector. Not horizon dot float. This float is 0. This float is 0. We got it. Or this float negative 0. This float is smaller, negative 0. Not or in front of our character. Yes. dot product horizon. Yes, we got it. Horizon dot float. And then second, vertical dot float. Vertical dot float product is hit normal vector, and then horizon normal vector. Yeah, this vector is there. Hit normal is green vector. Hit normal to the vector is blue. These two vector we dot product. These two vector is dot product. We carry vertical dot float. This vertical dot float is smaller, negative 0. We cannot work, and then this dot vertical dot float value is 0. We got it. This word is 3. And then this vertical dot float value is positive 0. Roger. Many positive 0. We can work. We can got it work. Okay, is next const float horizon degree. This degree we can carry using arc cosine. Arc cosine. Arc cos. This arc cos is horizon. Yes, this horizon dot. This horizon dot arc cosine. We're using arc cosine. We got it radian. Two vectors radian. This radian to degree, and then we got it horizon degree. Oh, yeah, this picture is that. So we got it mass class. The correlation is nearly 0. Vertical dot is nearly 0, is 3. And if horizon degree restant minimum horizon degree to start climbing, and not 3, we can climb it. Return true. We can climb it, but that we cannot climb it. This, yes. Alright, you cannot climb it. This we cannot. Okay. This is not in for loop. Yes. Let yes, not else. If not, it's not. If not, return false. Okay. And then next, we are done. Can start climbing function, and the next, we height trace function. Go to header file and declare height trace. This got it. If parameter trace distance. This function is not change value. Copy and go to CPP. We implement function use custom character component, copy and paste, implement. Okay, we got it. Result. Hit result. Offer edge hit. Yes, const f factor start update component. This component, our component is calling component location, and plus update component get vector calling get up vector and multiply trace distance, and then f vector and end position, and the position is start plus update component to get forward vector and multiply trace this. Oh, wait. Sorry. And this also but start get component location and plus it update get up vector multiply this get character owner. Okay, character owner. This character our custom move component owner character, our character, and then this we can using this function we must need include our character, and we can using this get character owner function. This function is called variable base height. This variable is our character height length. Yes, and the start also order and then return get word line trace single line channel upper edge height. We hit store to upper edge height. We hit information stored to up edge height, and trace the start position and trace end position and collision channel word static and runs also climbing query param. This function is we using function. Yes, this function is similar. This function is sweep to and detect hit word. This function is line trace. Yeah, this feature. This green vector is start vector and blue vector is end vector. This red line is our this red line is line trace or done iron height trace, and then the last function is facing surface. We go to header file and the declare is facing surface function. This function is heavy input const plot steep. This function is not change header file in header file variable. Okay, we go to CPP. CPP. Okay, to copy and then expire base length. Base length is 80. Const plot steep. Step multiply. The multiplier is 1. multiply, and 1 minus step. And the multiply, return I height. Our creative function call and pass to input parameter base length multiply step next multiplier. Okay, this is the we detect wall. If we detect wall is a steps, is either I height trace trace distance is dynamic input value. Yes, and then it's last can start climbing function and horizon if horizon degrees and return horizon degree to start climbing and not slowly, and then and is facing surface our created function. This input particle dot. Yes, particle dot. This pass to parameter and then call its facing surface, and then its facing surface discard parameter and then calculate steps multiply, and then this steps multiply base height multiply this result input pass to I height trace function, and I height trace function is detect rank I height length for our climbing wall. Okay. This picture, you can see this picture. This red line is dynamic. If wall is perpendicular, our red line, I hate red line is short, but our climbing wall is steep. I hate trace red line is longer. This red line is dynamic. We can create. Okay. This yes. Yes, yeah. To go. We all done. This create function with climbing can or not. We create these 3 functions. In the end, see you next video.